Good morning. Now that you have completed your experiment, we need to finish off this table. So for my experiment, my lying down heart rate was at 23. So I times that by 2 to get 46. That's because 30 times 2 is 60, and we're going to be presenting our results in beats per minute rather than beats per 30 seconds. Sitting, I got 34, so that doubles to 68. 45 doubles to 90. 55 doubles to 110. Running, which was my highest, goes up to 168. And chopping wood goes to 146. Now we're going to be plotting on the graph. I've already decided that my scale needs to go all the way up to 170, so it can include my highest value, which was for running. So we'll write down on the scale here, this one is heart rate. And we need to write a unit, which is BPM, which stands for beats per minute. Down the bottom, we've got our different activities. So lying down has to go up to 46. It's important that you use a ruler here to rule your horizontals. And there it is. It's a bar graph this week. So there's 46. Now we leave a gap. Because lying down and sitting are quite different activities, there's a gap between them. So it's called discrete data instead of continuous data. So for continuous data, we were using line graphs. So now we're doing completely different activities, so we have completely separate bars. So sitting goes all the way up to 68, which is about there. And across. Alright, and finally chopping wood, which is going up to 146. Got to go beyond there. 46. And ruling across the top. I highly recommend that you do your graph on a piece of maths paper this week, and make sure that you got nice parallel bars. Once you've done that, you'll be able to add some colour to your bars. Okay, because they are completely different activities, they deserve to have completely different coloured bars as well. If we'd done this investigation about, for example, just purely about running, and we went running over different sloped hills, for example, then we could end up producing a line graph because we're always doing the same activity. But because we've chosen to do different activities, we've got to make sure these bars are separate. Alright, and there's my completed graph. The last thing you need to do with graphs is always give them a title. This one, the y-axis is heart rate. So heart rate for different activities will be a great title. Thank you for listening.